Here's this ICP, supposedly Grand Aire heat pump. Not running. You can see the company who installed it there. That's a 2-ton. This is from 2011. It's got a GE disconnect box. We have a newer Tempstar. Oh, this one has a Copeland. I was half expecting it to have an LG. And over here are several Tempstar SmartComfort2000 units. And these are all heat pumps. Trying to find the reversing valve. This one's from 2005, newer one. And that one's a 2-ton as well. Got a larger one right there, and that one I'm trying for a startup. That one over there just shut off. And this one is missing the logo. This one's a 4-ton. There's the reversing valve. And we got a ductless unit over here. I think this is the last of the units at the building. Blue Ridge. I doubt this one's original. I'm pretty sure this one's an addition to the building. Yeah, this is from 2021, September 2021, so this is less than a year old. Simeon's disconnect box. There's some units over there that are stacked up. Might check that out in a little bit. We got one more. Another Grand Aire. This one's got a Copeland scroll. This one is from 2014, and that is a 1.5 ton. It's got a Gentech fan motor. Rotates at 1100 RPM. All right, over and out.